Okay, so will Rahul Gandhi be able to revive the Congress with his pitch today? The first verdict, the very first C voter snap poll. We're getting you the details first here on Headlines Today, and for that it's over to you, Shiv.
It's pretty sharp questions. I think 6 or 7 very sharp questions that have been put forth by C voter to 1,248 randomly selected respondents. Very sharp questions. Let's just tell you what they are. Did Rahul Gandhi deserve to be projected as the Congress's prime ministerial face? Well, a little bit redundant because he hasn't been, but 50% said yes, 38% actually said no. So that gives you a sense of what people thought about whether he was actually entitled to be projected by the government. Is Priyanka more politically savvy than Rahul Gandhi? A bit of a sensitive issue within the Congress at this time, but 54% actually surprisingly said no, because several people think, even within the Congress, that somehow Priyanka would be a magical elixir for the failing fortunes of the party. Here's another touchy question. Has Kejriwal overtaken Rahul Gandhi as Modi's main adversary? That graph speaks for itself. 53% says it is now Modi versus Kejriwal. Rahul Gandhi is nowhere in the picture. 28% still believe that Rahul Gandhi is there in the fight. Has Rahul joined the fight against corruption way too late? You've seen those stories we've done here on Headlines Today about the hypocrisies, the lack of action, selective reactions and anger by Rahul Gandhi about Adarsh and other cases. 64% of people, overwhelming number there, actually agree with that assertion. Let's move to the other one. Can Rahul lead the Congress back to power in 2014? Pretty 50-50 there. 43% say no, 40% of people actually think there is confidence. If someone has to lead the Congress back to power in 2014, if they do at all, 40% people think that it's actually going to be Rahul Gandhi. Can Rahul Gandhi, as a prime ministerial face, help the Congress beat anti-incumbency of 10 years? Surprising numbers, 54% people are actually positive about that. Despite all the sentiments and things said about Rahul Gandhi and his leadership and the things that have been sort of deduced after the failure of the Congress as far as the assembly elections are concerned, 54% people actually think that he's the guy who can help them ride over that anti-incumbency wave. And this is probably my favorite question in the snap poll. Should Rahul have worked in the government before leading the Congress in 2014? Numbers speak for themselves. 86% say yes, a negligible 7% say no. So that's going to be a big albatross around his collar, Padmaja, the fact that Rahul Gandhi has no government experience whatsoever.